Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to download video from Pinterest. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you will simply open your Pinterest application. So here you will select any of the video which you want to download. So we will select this one video. So here is the video and here are the three dots. You will simply tap on three dots. Here you will simply tap on the copy link. So link has been copied. After it, you will go back and you will simply open your Chrome browser or any browser. So here you will go to Google. So here you will simply write Pinterest video download. Pinterest video download. So here you will select the website botdownloader.com at the second one. So after opening it, you will simply paste the link here which you have copied from the Pinterest, and you will simply tap on download. It will take some while and you will simply scroll it down. So here is the video is ready for download. You will simply tap on download video. It will take some while. So here is the video and the three dots, you will simply tap it on again, and here you will simply tap on download. So video has been downloading. We'll go to details. You can see the video is downloading. So we will go to our gallery and I'll show you that we have downloaded the video. The video will automatically come to your gallery. So here is the downloaded video. So this is the simple process of downloading the video from Pinterest. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.